Right. Give yourself a round of applause. Now we're warmed up. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2. Peace. So listen, Prendergast, that's how I get every morning. A different beat on my alarm clock, and I just wake up and I start rapping. No, I'm joking, but it's a privilege to be here to speak to you about a really important message today. And the message has to do with these two individuals, these two famous peacemakers, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Martin King Jr., right? They stood for nonviolence, acceptance, and love. When I look at my tracks at the part you repeat, I said it's love over hate, it's peace over war. It's a dream that MLK and Gandhi lives for. But now it's our time to keep doing right, because we know in just 2 seconds we can save a life. When we start to believe that in just 2 seconds, that in one breath, one word, one action, 2 seconds, that what you say or do could potentially change a heart forever, maybe save a life, we know we have to be all in for this planet. And see, look, Gandhi said, you've heard the quote before, be the change you want to see in the world, right? But the actual quote is, you must. You must be the change you wish to see in this world. He's not just saying, feel more kindness, love, and respect here in Ansonia, here in Connecticut, here at your school. He's not just saying, be more kind if you feel like it. He's saying, you don't have a choice. This is our job as human beings, to show this love, to show this respect. And look, Dr. King, we just celebrated his legacy a couple of weeks ago, but he said the time is always right to do what is right. Before I started speaking full-time, I was a youth pastor at a few churches here in Detroit, Michigan. I remember taking my youth group every summer, a couple times every summer, to one of the soup kitchens downtown to feed the homeless at this one shelter, right? And we got there around lunchtime this one afternoon to serve these people in need. We served over 1,000 people that were hungry, that really needed a meal. And I was the mashed potatoes that day. The lady next to me was the gravy. We just kept going one tray after another like 1,000 times. And our first break in the action, I got to talk to this lady. She said that she was in the same soup kitchen